Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that affects many of us. Alcohol. Ever wondered what happens when you take that first sip? Buckle up, because the effects of alcohol on your body might just shock you. First off, let's talk about the brain. Alcohol is a depressant, which means it slows down brain function. This is why you might feel relaxed or even a bit tipsy after just 1 or 2 drinks. But too much can lead to impaired judgment, slurred speech, and even memory blackouts. Next, let's visit the liver. Your liver works hard to break down alcohol, but it can only handle so much at a time. Drinking excessively can overwhelm your liver, leading to inflammation, fatty liver disease, or even cirrhosis. Not cool, right? What about the heart? Moderate drinking might have some benefits, but heavy drinking can increase your blood pressure and risk of heart disease. Alcohol can also mess with your heart's rhythm, causing irregular beats. Scary stuff. Don't forget the stomach. Alcohol irritates your stomach lining, which can cause nausea and vomiting. Over time, it can lead to more serious issues like gastritis or ulcers. And lastly, weight gain. Alcohol is packed with empty calories. Those extra drinks can sneakily add pounds without you even noticing. So what's the takeaway? Enjoy your drinks, but always be aware of the effects on your body. Balance is key. Stay informed and make smart choices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more eye-opening content. See you next time.